Hey, what's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, go on and hit that like button. You know what we're trying to do.
That's right. That's right.
My brother's unboxing his first what? Air Jordan 6.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir. Yes,
So
sir.
go on and take it over, my brother.
Yes, sir. My first pair of Air Jordan 6, right? When I seen this shoe, I said, you know what? It's something about that shoe that I want. And we were able to hit on it. And
Yes, sir.
hey, we told you guys to check out, hey, we was gonna be dropping the unboxing video, and they came in. And what I loved about it, look at that. It comes. Look at that. Y'all see that jump, man? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Nice box. Y'all see that size? Hey, you see him? That's my
Yes, sir.
size. Let's go ahead and see what we're working with, my brother. My first pair of Air Jordan 6. Bam! There they go. There
Yes,
they
sir.
go. There they go. So first looking at them,
Mm-hmm.
you know what? Hey, about 50-50. They about 50-50. And why I say 50-50, they 50-50 because you don't get that full effect until they on your feet. So they 50-50 until they get on my feet. Right?
Yes,
But
sir.
I love the purple. I love how they incorporated that purple there. I love how they incorporated that, you know. Overall, the suede is very clean. I like that. I like that. You know, I like the jump man, that purple. But one thing I am noticing, you see the jump man purple, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then it's a different shade of purple, two different shades of purple. But this here, it does matches the jump man on the tongue, which I do like, but here is just like a shade, lighter. I love the dark purple. I wish they would have went ahead and incorporated the dark, the darker purple here. But overall, I don't it's not giving me that pizzazz, but it's 50-50 until it get on the feet. But overall, hey, I'm rocking these. I'm rocking these.
So,
Hey,
So if you haven't done so already, go ahead and check out that video right there. Is on feet of those Jordan 6 Aquas. I am rocking these as well. Go ahead and let us know in the comments, sneakerheads. Are you rocking these or dropping these? And also, if you hit on these, let us know.
yes, sir.
Yeah, I was on the
Hey,
fence about getting them too. I was 50-50, but
yeah,
I had to save my
yeah,
money for these other ones that are coming out now. So,
right. But you got both pair, you know, up close, giving you a true visual effect of them. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, what questions do you have for me, my brother?
and so I do have a question for you. Like, as far as comfortability wise, since I know these were your first sixes, how did they feel? Were they comfortable to you? Were you able to wear them for a long time, or did they hurt?
Very comfortable. Very comfortable. I was concerned about here, closer. I was concerned here,
With
but
yeah,
yeah, the width of it. But hey, overall, very comfortable shoe. Hey, like my brother said, hey, but overall, hey, I'm satisfied with them. Satisfied with them.
and then my
Hey,
second question is, as far as tip sizes, would you recommend they go true to size, or half size down, or half size up? What's your recommendation on that?
my recommendation, at least for these, I like,
Mhm.
hey, it's true to your size. I'm a size
Okay.
12, and I'm true to that. And with J's, I'm true size for me. I haven't gotten a pair of J's to where it was either smaller or bigger. Me wearing a size 12, so they're true to size. True to size.
And
All
just
right.
so you know, because the reason why I'm asking that, because for me, I wear a size 10, and I did purchase a size 10, and but they were like actually too big. Like I had like something like about an inch or so in the toe, like from the top to my toe. So they
Mm-hmm.
were actually too big for me, though. So I went half a size down for myself. So let us
Okay.
know in the comments, sneakerheads, are you wearing your Air Jordan 6s true to size, or are you going up a half size or down a half size?
Right.
Yes, sir.
Hey,
So my last question. So since these is your first sixes, do you see yourself possibly popping any newer colorways in the future?
I'm a sneaker bro by the outfit. I could see me, piecing together an outfit with this. And, you know, hey, like he mentioned, check out that video right there once again, right? How that colorway gonna look. That's for me. Hey, we'll see. We'll see. We'll
Yes,
see.
sir.
If y'all love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.